The site is very windy and weather-stricken. The challenge was coming up with an efficient design that sat well in the landscape, that withstood the harsh elements. When you experience those hostile environments, you do get a sense of shelter and protection from the elements when you're in this house. We are at property about 8 kilometres out of Fish Creek, set in the rural rolling landscape of Gippsland. As you arrive at the site, you are greeted by going up this beautiful windy driveway amongst the trees, and then opens up to this incredible panoramic view of Corner Inlet and Wilson's Prom. It's in a Bale 40 area. We needed to consider robust materials as part of the design and the way we planned the house. We also needed to obviously focus on the views, make it an energy efficient house that had natural beauty, that fulfilled all the requirements for sustainability in terms of long-term efficiency. The simplicity of the design of this home made it a reasonably cost-effective house for the size. There was efficiencies in structure, simplicity in beams and window sizes. One of the key elements of this design is in its simplicity. The long horizontal form which perches on the top of the hill and overlooks the magnificent views. I think aesthetically, the simplicity and its form really allows you to take in the view. It's not fighting on the landscape, it's very much a low profile building that really sort of enhances your experience of what you've got before us. And I think the very simple palette inside is also something that doesn't jar, it helps you take in the views beyond. As you arrive at the property, you come onto these wide verandas that wrap around the main kitchen living space, which faces north, and the verandas give you a sense of protection. Then there's a central entrance area, mudroom, where you can come into the house and take your boots off. In one direction there's the living space, and then in the other direction there's all the bedrooms, which are located more towards the southern end of the house. When thinking about the materials palette for this home, we wanted fairly robust materials that had warmth and texture. So the main feature at this living end of the house is the black butt timber wall lining and ceiling lining, which is just such a beautiful material, which then extends into some of the custom built furniture, which was made by James, their son, and dining table, the kitchen benches were all made by James, some of it from locally sourced timbers. Woven texture wallpapers which have texture and earthiness were incorporated into joinery. Local aggregates were brought in to incorporate into the polished concrete and the concrete hearth. And then as a contrast, the dark joinery on the end wall in the kitchen was a focal point in the room where we also wanted to have some beautiful texture. So we've got these gorgeous Japanese tiles from Matadomus. So it really is a beautiful sort of palette of natural timber and highlighted with these dark elements. In contrast, the bedroom wing is all timber flooring, so we've reversed out the palette and brought in the black butt flooring, and then used a really soft green, which is in the surrounding landscape. The bathrooms have got waterproof render, which is in this beautiful soft green, and even the timber joinery is stained in this beautiful soft green colour. We just carried this very soft green theme throughout the bedroom wing. We've also used this felt-like acoustic ceiling lining and wall lining behind the beds, which gives a snug cocooning effect. When it came to selecting our external materials, it was very important for Ross and Kathy that they wanted to have a really robust material that would withstand the elements. I was quite drawn to the way Core 10 sits in the landscape with the beautiful rusty hues. We came across UniCote Lux Core 10 Red, and it just had all the qualities of the Core 10 material, but without a lot of the issues of leaching onto materials, onto paving, and also it's far less heavy, so it was much easier for the builders to put on the building. One of the things that drew us to the UniCote Lux product was this multi-coat system that they have. It helps with its weathering, a non-combustible material. It's BAL 40 compliant and also incredibly low maintenance. So able to withstand the very harsh weather that is down in this area. As each season goes by, the garden gets more established and all the beautiful natural hues in the plantings around the house just tie in so beautifully with the cladding. It just reinforces the fact that this UniCote cladding was just such the right choice for this building. It suits the architectural form, but also sits so beautifully and quietly into the landscape, just reflecting the landscape and doing everything that we wanted it to do. One of the things with this home is it has been carefully set amongst a cleared landscape that was created to build a home. And now the family who are wanting to occupy this home for generations to come are now carefully taking care of the landscape and nurturing what is here, but also generating and propagating new plants to generate regrowth and just to further enhance the landscape. And I think that's what makes this a really sustainable, beautiful experience for the family in terms of nurturing the earth and having this wonderful place to do that. On top of the roof, there's a huge solar system with a battery in the garage, so the house is able to sustain itself in terms of electricity generation. Also a 100-litre rainwater tank, which is nearly always full to water the garden. In addition to that, heat pump hydronic heating has been laid under the floors right throughout the house, which is extremely efficient. It's turned out to be a very sustainable, even temperature home. I think one of the things that you're most proud of as an architect is when you have completed a job and someone moves in and it's something that has well exceeded their expectations, and it's a house that enriches the lives of those people that are living in it and spend time in it. The timelessness and simplicity and the feeling of warmth that you have when you spend time here is an enjoyable experience. That's also because of the view and just how breathtaking it is and how peaceful it is. From the exterior, it's bold and confident and durable and robust, and then when you come inside you get a sense of warmth, retreat, sense of comfort and welcome. It just feels like a great place to just sit and contemplate.